God speaks to Job, Job 38, verses 1 through 27. Then the Lord spoke to Job from a whirlwind and said, "Who is this ignorant person saying these foolish things? Prepare yourself for an attack. Get ready to answer the questions I will ask you. Where were you when I made the earth? If you were so smart, answer me. And who decided how big the earth should be? Who measured it with a measuring line? What is the earth resting on? Who put the first stone in its place when the morning stars sang together and the angels shouted with joy? Who closed the floodgates as the sea gushed from the womb? Who covered it with clouds and wrapped it in darkness? I set the limits for the sea, and I put it behind locked gates. I said to the sea, you can come this far, but no farther. This is where your proud waves will stop. Did you ever in your life command the morning to begin or the day to dawn? Did you ever tell the morning light to grab the earth and shake those who are evil out of their hiding places? The morning light makes hills and valleys easy to see. When the daylight comes to the earth, the shapes of these places stand out like folds of coat. They take shape like a soft clay that is pressed with a stamp. Evil people don't like the daylight. When it shines bright, it keeps them from doing the bad things they do. Have you ever gone to the deepest parts of the sea? Have you ever walked on the ocean bottom? Has anyone shown you the gates to the world of the dead? Have you seen those gates that lead into the dark place of death? Did you really understand how big the earth is? Tell me if you know all this. Where does light come from? Where does darkness come from? Can you take them back to where they belong? Do you know how to get there? Surely you know these things since you are so old and wise. You were alive when I made them, weren't you? Have you ever gone into the storerooms where I keep the snow and the hail? I save them for the times of trouble, for the times of war and battle. Have you ever gone to the place where the sun comes up, where it makes the east wind blow all over the earth? Who dug ditches in the sky for the heavy rain? Who made a path for the thunderstorm? Who made it rain even in desert places where no one lives? The rain gives that dry, empty land all the water it needs, and grass begins to grow.